So I'm at my friend's house, and he's forcing me, like the government is forcing people, to watch this Super Bowl. So we're about to watch the halftime show with the Weeknd.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
The National Football League welcomes you to the Pepsi Super Bowl 55 halftime show.
Woo woo! He's opening up with a car. Welcome to Las Vegas. Come on, set design. You can see the strings. Come on, set. That's a nice set. I can see where the budget's going. Praise the Lord. Whoa, whoa. No. Come on, Victoria's Secret. Raymond James Stadium. Okay. In Tampa. Yes. 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 Again, he didn't learn nothing from Beyonce introductions. What the hell was that footwork? Michael Jackson danced though. Give it for those dancers in the back giving us this robotic movement. Thank God I'm off tomorrow. Yay. Am I the only one who's thinking about The Mask right now? I want to go watch The Mask movie again. That's what he's giving me in the face, The Mask. No, you don't think so? I'm asking you a question. Wasn't he with SZA? Are they still together? Oh, at least he's singing live. I'm giving that. Oh, all those are men. Who's coming out? Is it Beyonce? I'm dizzy just watching this. Corona, 6 feet. Seriously, so what's the whole point of this? I'm gonna give him that. He's singing live. His teeth are white. They're straight. His skin looks good. His
He looks weird. It's something. First of all, I'm bored.
he's not necessarily a performer. He's an entertainer. He's not really a performer. He's an entertainer. But I'm not even entertained either. So what is he? A artist? Just an artist? This is a damn Super Bowl. Rihanna said not. Rihanna's not doing that stuff.
Chris Brown.
Huh? They're not gonna take Chris Brown due to that. You know, they're still holding that Rihanna incident over his head. And Janet Jackson, they're not gonna take her back due to that incident with the nipple. They're never still gonna give her. But Janet Jackson's black. She's a black woman.
Forgot about white privilege. I bet he got Ariana Grande. Miley Cyrus would probably got above her.
I already told you that. I already told you that from earlier. I would have taken Miley Cyrus. At least I would get something like, oh, you know, my cheek moved. I'm so shady. Give it, come through, instruments. What is it, a violin? Come through, viol.
Violin.
Oh, he's fine.
Yes.
Yes. Oh god, here comes another one. Just a different beat, different key, slower music. Same shuckums. 8-minute recording and
Oh no.
they can't be serious. Okay, we get that you can sing. This is a damn Super Bowl. We need to see performance.
She can't even do that. Because
Oh, this is what Kimberly Foster was talking about. This was kind of demonic. Come on, Michael Jackson, Resurrection. I told you that everyone's doing a Michael Jackson aesthetic.
you know the mics in the hands, the drag queens been doing this for years.
Oh, for years.
Tired Sanchez.
They've been doing that for years. That is nothing new. Come on. Okay, ladies, let in get formation. Hey. To me, I think this is the best of his whole 11 minutes I've been watching. Who? The Weeknd? Is he gay? No, that's SZA's boy. It's like, I don't know. This is 21. Everyone's gay.
But you see how it works.
Oh my god, no. First of all, I want to know them dancers need to get a raise. The people on the drums need to get a raise. Them singers need to get a raise. Yes! That movie with Lupita, This Is Us, the Us movie. When they're all in the red and they wear that mask thing. The Us movie with Lupita. I don't know this song. Ooh, he's fine. I'm here for these dancers.
Can't even see their face like that.
Huh?
How you know you fine?
They look fit. Them boys look good. You don't need to see. They look good. As for him right there, he won his moment. He looking right at the camera. Oh God! Here come this tired performance. Here they go. Ooh.
It's like a whole bunch of commotion.
Well, at least he's showing us that he has the budget to hire all them people.
He doesn't have a budget. Pepsi does. That was good.
So that was a performance by The Weeknd at the 55th Super Bowl halftime show. So,
Your reactions.
Quick thoughts. I'm not gonna say your light was boring. He gave me everything I expected. The Weeknd is not an artist I rush to go to see on the screen. He's somebody you turn on when you're cooking. You need something. It's just that.
If it's nothing else to do and he's on the radio, you might listen to the song.
Yeah, it's the thing about it. When it comes to award show, you're supposed to perform to get new audience. This is a Super Bowl. Everybody is watching, and this is his production was amazing. But besides that,
but the music was horrible. So
I'm done. I'm sick of these people.